wondered how alcohol can instantly flip your life upside down? Just look at the case of a teenage Karen who found out the hard way. After a series of reckless choices, officers had seen enough and made an arrest that would mark a turning point in her life. Start off with this entitled 23-year-old who later learns she's not above the law. On July 3rd, 2023, a significant disturbance unfolded in a residential neighborhood involving a 23-year-old female driver who exhibited clear signs of impairment. Witnesses observed the woman driving erratically, striking multiple trash cans and mailboxes.
Is there a reason why you don't want to just answer my questions?
You know the answer to that as an officer.
No, that's why I'm asking you.
I'm a firefighter myself.
Where are you a firefighter at? I'm just asking if I can get the same respect that I would give you if you were...
to ask whether or not this situation is similar or isn't. There's only a certain amount of questions that you can ask.
I can ask a million questions till I figure out what happened. Because the next opportunity is for you to go into cuffs for obstruction. Want to do that route, or do you want to just act like the adult that you are and just tell me what happened and we can figure this out a lot quicker?
Right.
Right. I don't have a conclusion because I don't know what happened. I don't even have a starting point.
When officers arrived at the scene, they encountered the driver, who identified herself as a firefighter. Despite her professional background, her behavior was anything but cooperative.
We want to be able to help you, okay?
Well, let's take this based off of someone else's work.
Okay.
Right.
Sure. Now you are, but during the incident
Now
you weren't.
I am,
Right.
but though you have no merit to say I wasn't.
I'm not saying you weren't. I'm telling you that you were in the
said
driver's
that
seat.
I was in the passenger.
I'm simply asking you what happened. If you weren't driving, say I wasn't driving, he was driving, this is what happened.
I wasn't driving.
Perfect.
He was.
Okay,
I walked
and what happened?
my dog down this road
Okay,
so that she can get some air.
Okay.
She was in the car.
perfect.
I came back, put her in the car, and then I came back after I took my dog on a walk. They started making ruckus. And I said, ma'am, I didn't do anything wrong. I took my dog on a walk.
Okay.
Well, I heard some commotion outside, and I'm not sure what it was. So all of this is hearsay.
Okay.
None of it is provable.
Okay.
What I'm going to tell you, sir. What's your name?
I don't want to interrupt you, so keep talking.
There was nothing that I created in this situation.
Okay.
Can we talk to me and you before you talk to him?
You told me to ask him.
No, I didn't. I said if you want to know where his car is,
Ask him. And that's what I did.
I didn't say it right now.
I don't work for you. I do what I want when I want.
And I don't like that personality. Can I get another deputy?
I'm the one investigating this.
I would like to talk to another deputy.
No. And I would like you to start answering questions.
I would like to her. I don't want to run the show, but I know my rights.
You don't get, and a right of picking officer is not a right.
Yeah, it is. Because if I choose not to talk to you,
Then I'll just place you under arrest for DUI based on witness statement.
you know what I could say is that you last night were driving drunk under your patrol car and hit somebody and then ran. What merit does that hold? I'm not dumb. I've served. I'm a firefighter EMT.
Okay,
I'm
you're
not
acting-
stupid.
acting very
But I am
unprofessional for
asking you
someone that would-
respectfully, I would like to talk to your supervisor if that's okay.
No.
And if not, I'll get out of the car respectfully.
The woman insisted on delaying the interaction, demanding to speak to a different officer and claiming she needed time to answer questions. This refusal to cooperate, coupled with her erratic conduct, led the officers to suspect she was under the influence of substances.
Get out. Relax. Relax. Relax.
Put both hands behind.
Let go of the door.
Let go. Stop resisting. It's just going to be easier this way, please. Not trying to be rude about it.
No.
Relax. Don't do it.
You have anything on you that's going to poke me?
You know, the reason that
Alright, I'll see you
What's
soon.
wrong?
I would like to talk to a super.
You have anything on you?
Are you done? I'm gonna put you in the back
I'm
of the
black,
car.
by the way.
Talk to me about what's going on.
I don't want to know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I just moved I was sober.
You what?
I don't remember after getting here. I said hi to his grandma, and then that was that.
Okay. Have you had alcohol today?
2 shots of vodka.
2 shots of vodka? What time was that at?
Good.
Did you have anything besides 2 shots of vodka?
The driver was adamant about her sobriety and insisted that she was not driving the vehicle at the time of the incident. She argued that her behavior could be attributed to new medication rather than alcohol or drugs. Her attempts to deflect responsibility and her resistance to answering basic questions complicated the situation significantly.
You got an anklet and then that one right there.
This has been on since Mother's Day.
Okay.
3 years ago.
Yeah, because you're in jail right now for driving under the influence. You made some bad decisions today.
Why? Who said you haven't seen me driving? So it's hearsay.
Okay.
No, it's hearsay. You did not see me driving.
I want to have to
did
take
you?
those off.
Let's official.
Let's not argue.
I'm not taking
Let's
this
not
off
argue.
until I talk to the person.
No,
That's not going to happen.
I don't want to have to take them off. They need to come off.
I'm crying right now
I
because
can see.
I have
Okay.
never been in jail.
Okay.
This was for my daughter's 6-month birthday. I'm not taking it off.
It'll be a lot
You
easier.
touched me.
Mm-hmm.
You were liable for a lawsuit.
Okay, that's why we'd like you to do that.
I don't care what the thing is. I know the law.
Then I'm just going to cut it off. Then that's what will happen.
If you cut it off,
Tell me what.
I haven't cut it off.
The only person that's
2
making
years.
this difficult is you.
I'm only standing up.
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
Stop.
No,
Have a
you're gonna
seat.
sit down. Sit down.
And take this off, please. Okay?
If you touch
Please.
me,
Okay,
my
I
dad
heard
is
you.
very, very
I heard you.
official about
That's
that.
fantastic. Take that off, please.
If you get your supervisor now,
Oh, ma'am.
I know the law, sir.
Do not stand
I'm
up.
not.
Sit down. Do
I'm
not stand up.
not.
Don't do that.
I'm not.
Knock it
I
off.
was just getting forward. Get the deputy. I am a firefighter. Get the deputy and I will talk to him. You will not take that bracelet off of me.
There you go. Thank you very much.
The situation quickly escalated as the driver continued to challenge the officer's authority. She refused to remove a personal bracelet, which she claimed was important and had been on her for years. This defiance led to a physical struggle with the officers, who were forced to restrain her to ensure a safe resolution. The driver's behavior raised concerns about her mental state and decision-making abilities, which were further complicated by her claim of new medication use.
I
between you and
didn't
the judge
drive
now.
drunk, sir.
The argument
I'm a
is between you and the
firefighter.
judge
We
now.
can talk to each other
You can
with
either.
respect.
I'm trying.
I need to understand the full extent of what happened.
I've already explained it to you. I don't know.
No, you didn't. You were very vague.
Right.
You touched me.
Nothing. Let's go.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Turn around.
I'll get the cup on the top.
Give me this hand. Take this hand. Lift your right leg up. Stop.
Hold on.
No.
Nope, I'm gonna do a George Floyd.
No, you're not.
I am.
The escalating confrontation saw the driver becoming increasingly belligerent, culminating in a physical struggle with the officers. The officers eventually restrained her and transported her to jail, where she faced charges of driving under the influence, DUI, and assaulting a police officer.
Why am I being arrested but he isn't?
Because you were driving.
I don't want that on me. No, no. I don't want that on me.
Don't.
You have to have a seatbelt on.
Then relax.
Don't kick me. Don't kick me. Don't kick me.
I'm not. I'm kicking the door.
Go underneath my arm.
Y'all are some piece of shit cops.
Let us go.
That's fine. Don't worry about that. I got the leg. Don't worry about the leg.
Don't kick
Stop.
her.
Stop. Back up.
That bruise.
Then don't kick her.
Throughout the ordeal, the woman's resistance and lack of cooperation highlighted significant issues of compliance and respect for law enforcement procedures. The woman's actions led to multiple charges, including driving under the influence, DUI, due to impaired driving, supported by witness statements, and erratic behavior, and assaulting a police officer due to a physical altercation with law enforcement. From a legal perspective, the woman's case involved several violations of the law. Driving under the influence, DUI, is governed by Chapter 11(501) of the Vehicle Code, which addresses offenses involving operating a vehicle with a blood alcohol content, BAC, over the legal limit of 0.08%. Penalties for a DUI typically include fines ranging from $500 to $2,500, a license suspension of up to 1 year, and imprisonment from a few days to up to a year. The consequences can be more severe for repeat offenders or if there are aggravating factors involved. In addition, the woman faced charges of assaulting a police officer under Chapter 720 ILCS 5-12-1 of the Criminal Code. This charge can result in fines up to $25,000, imprisonment ranging from 1 to 5 years, and a permanent criminal record. The severity of the penalties depends on the nature of the assault and whether the officer sustained injuries, reflecting the serious nature of such offenses against law enforcement personnel. She may have claimed to be a firefighter, but it looks like the only thing she was trying to put out was her common sense. Clearly, this wasn't the first time a teen Karen let things spiral out of control. On January 6, 2024, a 19-year-old woman, later identified as the daughter of a district attorney, was involved in a troubling incident at a local hotel. The disturbance began when hotel staff reported that the young woman was vandalizing property and behaving aggressively.
So you went to go knock, you didn't talk to her, and then she came out, started to yell at you?
I didn't even knock. I was walking because I have to do some inspections.
But what'd she say?
She was charging up to me.
Okay, but what, is it this one?
No, it's
238 up here.
upstairs.
Okay, and then so
And
she's...
then,
Hello, ma'am. Officer Garcia, can you step outside for me?
getting the f*** out.
Can you step outside for me? Alright, can I step inside you?
I'm getting the f*** out, dude.
Can I come in? You're gonna stop moving your stuff? We're
Hey,
investigating.
what the hell?
We're investigating, okay? So
This
you're not
is
allowed to
my-
leave.
No, yes I am.
You're not gonna
They
leave.
kicked me out and I have a job.
Alright, you're not
I'm
gonna
sorry,
leave.
but I have
You're
a
not
job.
gonna leave. I'm investigating assault on somebody.
Who?
And you're throwing items.
Who?
Or were you throwing items? They're
No.
saying that they're
I
saying.
have not thrown anything.
Okay, so
My dad is James motherfucking dog.
okay,
District fucking attorney.
that's fine.
Yeah, it is perfectly fine. You have nothing on me, so I am free to go.
Is he the one that's gonna yell at me?
Yes, I am. I know my rights.
Okay, the
Just
RP
because
is
an
outside of the
LCPD
room, and I'm right here
officer,
with her, if you could just get one
I'm
of
right
them.
here with her. Who is with her?
What's your first name?
If you don't know that information, I am free to go. You're
Actually,
only
you're not.
Yes, because you're only allowed to hold who is harassment, 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 harassment. Now you got a charge on you.
That's good.
Yeah. You wanna double the charges?
That's fine.
You're gonna double the charges?
That's fine.
Really? Yeah, you
My
did.
hands
You
are
did put your hands on me, officer. So now, who
Can you
is getting
ask for
in
the
charge?
video? Can you ask for the video?
So
And
this is harassment, and this is keeping somebody
name. Just like all the
hostage.
information. You're not gonna leave.
Hostage.
Put your stuff back.
Hey, get off me!
Hey,
Get the f away from me!
Hey,
This
relax.
is harassment.
Relax.
Harassment,
Hey,
bro.
hold on, I'm trying to
Get the
talk
f away from me.
Can we talk?
No.
Can we talk as human beings?
Officers arrived at the hotel after receiving reports of the woman's disruptive behavior. When they attempted to investigate, the woman was initially confrontational. She refused to provide her personal information, argued with the officers, and insisted that she had the right to leave. Despite clear indications from the officers that she was not free to go, she continued to challenge their authority and resisted their attempts to manage the situation.
This is stupid.
She's just being detained so we can figure out what's going on, all
I
right?
didn't do shit. Harassment. You guys are all getting charged.
Relax. Just relax.
I'm pursuing charges on all of you guys.
That's fine.
I didn't touch nobody. He yelled out assault like if I was gonna hit her.
You blowed
For
up.
what?
You blowed up on her.
I didn't blow up on shit, dog. You're lying. Oh, just because you think you're hurting me, you're not. Weaker than
That's enough. Don't.
Stop. You guys are lying ass. I searched for what?
Go to jail.
I'm not going to jail. What the Why? What did I do to you?
You can't.
What did I do to you?
You assaulted a police officer.
I didn't assault a police
You
officer.
assaulted me. I thought you were gonna hit me.
No, I didn't.
I thought that
That's
you were gonna hit me.
not true. Stop.
How many minutes?
Okay. I didn't do anything!
Oh, don't kick me.
I didn't do anything! I didn't do anything!
Stand up. Come on. Hey, look. You can make this easier on yourself. Sit in the car.
Stop trying to kick me.
I'm not even kicking you! You're lying ass!
Wait, be careful with your feet.
Following her arrest, the woman was charged with several offenses: criminal trespass, assault on a peace officer, and resisting arrest. Despite her protests and claims of harassment, these charges were upheld based on the evidence collected during the incident. The video footage from the scene captured her contentious interactions with the police and the physical confrontation that ensued.
Yeah. No! I was leaving! I was leaving! She stopped me from leaving! She stopped me from leaving because I was leaving! I could have been gone! I could have been at work! You can get her off my back! She's gonna break my back, bro!
I can talk. I have no problem.
Because you're putting me in jail for not doing anything!
I'm not putting you in jail.
I just gotta work.
Where do you work at? That's all you gotta do. So this is what's gonna happen, okay? Because you're banging your head and throwing yourself around, we have a wrap restraint device. Okay, we'd rather give you the common courtesy as an adult than as a human being.
I'm not even a human being. You guys are humans. The failure to the fucking earth.
Okay?
Just in 5 days, it's gonna be fine. Why don't you ask your boyfriend? I saw him in the video with you.
Oh, boyfriend.
Or which guy were you with?
I was with a guy.
There was another guy?
I was with a guy.
But let's get some water so we can get you going, okay? The quicker we get you in, the sooner you're gonna get out. Okay? Let's calm down. Get some water. Let's calm down. Sorry.
Oh! Yeah! Oh!
She slips the other foot out. I tell her no, so I put my hands on her. I look at
The legal implications for the woman are significant. She faces potential penalties for each of the charges, which could include fines, probation, or even incarceration, depending on the outcome of her court proceedings. From a legal perspective, the woman's actions violated several important laws. Criminal trespass, under Chapter 30 of the Penal Code, involves unlawfully remaining on property after being asked to leave, with penalties including a fine up to $1,000 or imprisonment for up to 180 days. Assault on a peace officer, as defined in Chapter 22, is a felony with severe consequences. Convictions can lead to fines up to $10,000 and imprisonment ranging from 2 to 10 years, reflecting the seriousness of the offense against law enforcement. Resisting arrest, covered by Chapter 38, involves obstructing an officer's duties. This offense can be a misdemeanor with penalties including fines and up to 1 year in prison, or a felony if it involves significant confrontation, leading to harsher penalties. The final legal outcomes will be determined based on the evidence and the specifics of the case. Thanks for watching. If this story serves as a reminder of the consequences of poor decisions, then we've done our job. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stories and updates. Stay safe out there, and remember, your choices can shape your future.